In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to your Gumroad account. This is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to sell products or services online through Gumroad, making it easier for you to receive payments. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in, shall we? First things first, you need to open your web browser and log into your Gumroad account. If you haven't created one yet, you'll need to go through the sign-up process first, but assuming you already have your account set up, let's get started. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the settings. You can find this by looking in the left sidebar on the Gumroad dashboard. Just go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you can handle all the back-end aspects of your account, including connecting payment processors. After you're in the settings, you should see a tab or section labeled Payment Options. Go ahead and click on that. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage how you receive payments from your customers. When you scroll down on this page, you're likely to see a prompt to connect with PayPal. Now, here's where the magic happens. Depending on your country, you may see an option to connect with either PayPal or Stripe. If you see Stripe listed, that's the option we want to focus on today. If you don't see Stripe, that might be due to regional restrictions, and you'll want to consider contacting Gumroad support for further guidance. So once you locate the Stripe option, you'll see a button that says something like Connect with Stripe. Give that button a click. This will lead you to a new window where you'll need to authenticate your Stripe account. If you already have a Stripe account, you can enter your login information. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you'll need to create one. Don't worry, Stripe makes it pretty straightforward to sign up. Just follow their prompts and fill in the necessary details about your business. After you log into your Stripe account or finish signing up, Stripe will ask for permission to connect with Gumroad. Make sure to grant those permissions. You want to allow Gumroad to process payments via your Stripe account. Once that's done, you will be directed back to your Gumroad account. Once you're back in Gumroad, you should see a confirmation that your Stripe account is now connected. This means you are all set to start receiving payments directly through Stripe for any sales you make on Gumroad. Easy, right? I hope you're following along and finding this helpful. Just a quick recap. Log into Gumroad, navigate to Settings, find Payment Options, and connect your Stripe account. Isn't it great when things come together so smoothly? Before we wrap up, let's discuss what you should do next. Make sure to test your payment option to ensure everything is working seamlessly. You can do this by making a test purchase with a small amount or checking the Stripe dashboard for any recent transactions. It's crucial to verify that your customers will have a hassle-free checkout experience. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Stripe to your Gumroad account. You're now equipped to handle payments efficiently for all your online sales. This simple yet powerful integration opens up a world of possibilities for you as a creator, entrepreneur, or seller. Thank you for watching this tutorial on connecting Stripe to your Gumroad account. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials that can help you grow and succeed online. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if